want to see something hot? My scatter arrow about to land on his face.
I really like your outfit.
Attackers incoming.
Who do you got? Spam me. Somebody hit me or something. They aren't spamming me. No one's doing anything. I just have to shield the hooks. Hope for the best. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't shield my own teammates' hooks, you know?
I guess it's just going that way though.
In the rush, in the rush, in the rush, in the rush. Game plays.
I got gas.
For me. Sorry for everything. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Saving teammates. Oh, McCree, what was that? I'm sorry. Your right click not even not do much. Goodbye. Peace.
Bye.
So look at this. This is what Widowmaker has to do now. You have to just sit there, scoped in like a... It's almost like you're an actual sniper from another game. What is this? Huh. But Jeremy resub, not rescrubbed, for 5 minutes. 5 months, not 5 minutes. Thank you, Jeremy. 5 month resub, man. I appreciate it. Oh dear, no shields, no shields. Nice shot. Pretty sure you were all gonna. Oh dear.
Wow, you actually got him. There's a shield for him direct, like that's all that full.
That black hole, good luck! That was a little late. He couldn't see it. That was my bad. I should have called it before. I'm trying to body block! Aww. Did he get sniped or did he get... No, the Trish got him. Oh, hey, Widow! Oh, is that an SMG you're using because you can't quick scope anymore? Oh, I'm sorry. God, I love Widowmaker nerfs. Is McCree bad now? No, he's still amazing. He's just not overpowered as hell anymore.
Get punched.
I hate trees.
Pistol.
Okay, I had a self shield up, but I got rolled because the Widow, I think, popped the shield and then headshot me immediately afterwards. So here we go, look at this. You actually have to stay scoped in. Beautiful. Am I dead? Oh, nope, we got him. You go, teammates, you go.
No.
No teammate shield for him.
My ultimate is charged.
I think we're gonna lose this point pretty much no matter what we do. I should probably start leaving actually, considering Badge is on it, but he's dead.
They're taking the objective.
There's no way. I knew I should have trusted my instinct to run. Because now we might get sniped or hooked. One or the other. Not sure which. We'll see. Tracy's gonna come try and spawn camp us. This is what always happens. What? Did he miss me? Wait, where did he put it? What happened? Did I get predicted? What's going on here?
What?
Yeah, okay, I thought he threw it on me and then I ran towards it. I don't even know. See, at least they didn't nerf the booty. I mean, they actually did at one point, I think. We're already post-nerf though, most people didn't know.
Ready for battle. My ultimate
You ready,
is
lass?
ready. Let's do this.
I'm ready.
Let's roll.
Огонь по готовности.
Rolling it. See, look at that. I won't fall for it this time, Trey. So you put it in random spots, I ain't falling for it.
She exploded.
Got him. The shield. Save. Still dead. We got some energy out of it, though. Oh, I'm dead. He's gonna bomb me, maybe? Nope.
I am the champion.
I am the champion. Quick, take him. I got high energy. Oh, he's dead anyway. That works. Whose dragon becomes me in there? I'll shield him.
Get in there.
Is he still out there? Nah, he backed up. I don't have another shield to get him out though.
Maximum charge.
The walling, they have 100 energy? Or, I have 100 energy, not they.
Maximum charge.
Oh boy, here we go. He's gonna get hooked right now and I don't have a shield for it. Body block for him. He's dead! Run! Oh, if I did one last right click there, I would have gotten him. Dude, do you have a rocket jump? That's alright. Ooh. Oh. We are so screwed. 5 health! Run for the health back! We're good.
Get in there.
I was not prepared for a Reaper. No! Oh boy, here we go.
Огонь по готовности.
So,
No, like that. She punched me again. I hate this person.
high energy Zarya for days. That's all I can do. Wrong corner, man.
60 seconds.
Oh god, I found a Reaper.
Oh, she ran for me.
I'm not good.
He did.
Got a lot of damage out of Zarya so far. I'm pretty happy
My
about it.
ultimate is charging.
Everyone just sit behind the shield for safe. He's gonna get hooked. Hope's on me. I shielded him, Renbot, but I didn't self-shield myself fast enough. I should have pressed both at the same time. See, watch this. Renbot won't take any damage right now because I shielded him just in time, but I didn't shield myself in time though.
I am
Fuck.
not a good loser.
Also, missed donation subs, etc. Bob Ross Bro has just subscribed. Thank you, Bob Ross Bro. Followed by Manly Mike. Thank you, Madly Mike and Bob Ross Bro. Appreciate it.
All behind us, man.
All I have to do is not let him on point. There we go.